the minimum thing to come just pass marks is to believe in one God and believe Prophet Muhammad is the God. At least you enter. If you enter the school, at least your chances of passing there. And then you may get whether second class, first class, distinction. But at least you have to enter, sister. Sister, do you believe there is one God?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe idol worship is wrong?
Yes, definitely.
MashaAllah. Khalas. So if you believe, that there is one God, and you believe idol worship is wrong, and you believe that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the messenger of Allah, then according to me, you're a Muslim. Sister, would you like to say the Shahada? Would you like to say it in Arabic? There are tears of joy, sister. Would you like to enter the fold? According to me, you're already a Muslim. Would you like to proclaim it?
Yes.
Yes? MashaAllah. Takbir. I hope no one is forcing you, sister. You're doing it out of your own free will.
Yes.
And I'm asking you because you said that you have heard my lecture, so surely you may be having some knowledge of Islam.
Yes, I do.
MashaAllah, sister. I'll just say it in Arabic and you can repeat it, sister. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Allah.
Allah.
Have the microphone close, please.
Allah.
Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Allah.
Allah.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu. Wa ashhadu.
Wa ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
Muhammadan.
Muhammadan.
Abduhu.
Abduhu.
Wa rasuluhu.
Wa Rasulallah.
I bear witness.
I bear witness.
That. There is no God.
There is no God.
But Allah.
But Allah.
And I bear witness.
And I bear witness.
That.
Prophet
Muhammad.
That Prophet Muhammad.
Is the messenger.
Is the messenger.
And servant of Allah.
And servant of Allah.
Takbir.
Takbir.
Takbir. Takbir. MashaAllah, sister. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. And really you have taken a bold step. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide you more. And may He help you, because I can make out, mashallah, that you have already gained a lot of knowledge. And your questions were very questions of intelligence. And mashallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you more knowledge of the deen. May He help you to guide your parents, guide your family members, and guide your friend, sister. Jazakallah shukran, sister. May Allah reward you. MashaAllah.